Hello, my name is Jonathan Gardner. Welcome to Nelson Mullins Legal Lens, our monthly programming to share insights and perspectives relevant to our clients' business issues. Today, I want to introduce our special guest, Jason Epstein, who leads our technology outsourcing procurement and privacy group. Jason, thank you for joining today.
Thanks for having me, Jonathan.
Jason, in the headlines, all I'm reading about is artificial intelligence and how it's going to revolutionize the business world we live in. That's the headlines. But I'm not quite sure that implementation of artificial intelligence at our clients is keeping up pace from a headlines perspective. So share with us some use cases or where we are seeing artificial intelligence being implemented at our clients.
We're seeing AI being implemented at our clients in two ways. One, from an internal use standpoint, which is how can you onboard artificial intelligence products to help get work done more efficiently, to help find information, to help with the business generally. We're also seeing clients use it to actually provide services to others. Now, we're still in the exploratory phase. A lot of clients are still looking to implement artificial intelligence and get to the promised land, which AI is supposed to deliver in terms of providing services and products that can be relied upon, doesn't hallucinate, generally is error-free, and creates that excitement that the businesses are looking for today. But there are some specific use cases for our clients. An example would be onboarding internally artificial intelligence to use chatbots to help scour information and organize information for a sales force, for example, to locate information and data that will help put proposals together, or to help in the financial services context will help a financial advisor locate and find materials to be able to provide advice. So these are AI-assisted tools that are being generated internally to help those people in companies do their business better.
Okay. So what are the legal challenges and risk that you have been working with our clients on as those first movers have implemented AI within their environments?
We always start with a three-prong approach. What is the use case? What is the artificial intelligence that is being offered to be used? And then what are the risks associated with the use of that AI for that particular use case? Sounds simple, but if you keep that discipline every time, it will help ferret out the issues. Some of the more obvious issues are confidentiality, privacy, security, being able to rely on the output that's generated from some of these artificial intelligence tools, responsible use of the AI, making sure it's unbiased, doesn't discriminate. So these are some of the what are now seeming, they weren't a year ago, but they're now seemingly to be the more basic legal questions of when you use AI, what do you have to worry about? So it all depends on the use case. One of the interesting phenomenon that's happening is a lot of our clients are onboarding AI under pilot programs with a use case that's fairly limited. And when you have pilot programs with use cases that are fairly limited, in other words, anonymous information, not relying on the output, not necessarily a human in the loop, as they say, the risks are low. I would say the biggest concern of onboarding AI is how do you control the company's move from a pilot program to all of a sudden using it in production and for some bigger things. And so staying in lockstep with a client and understanding and making sure that there's disciplines within our clients to understand that things often start as a pilot, but with all the pressure to use these tools, they sometimes expand very quickly.
So Jason, where are we in the adoption of artificial intelligence from an operational perspective as we look to work with our clients to achieve their business goals?
We are in still relatively early stages. I'm not going to say we're in the infancy, but artificial intelligence continues to grow. The tools are becoming better and better. Companies and our law firm and other law firms are thinking about how to continue to integrate these tools to get things done. We're definitely not there yet, but there are certain things that you can take advantage of right now. And that's using tools internally to get things done more efficiently, especially when it comes to professional services like law firms, accounting, and other things. The large vendors and other vendors are starting to come to the table with tools that we're going to really be able to use and incorporate. The full deployment of them yet is probably some time off, But I think part of our responsibility is to be part of that wave and to stay on top of what these new innovations are so that when they are ready and to the extent they're ready, we're there to use them. And our customers are thinking the same thing.
Well, Jason, appreciate your insights, appreciate your perspectives. It's going to be fascinating to watch AI and the evolution that we go through moving forward. Look forward to having continued conversations with you. Thanks for joining, and to our audience, I hope you found this valuable. Thank you very much.